The silence along the battered road in eastern Ukraine was shattered when a column of Russian military trucks rolled forward under a gray, oppressive sky. What the convoy did not know was that it was already being watched. High above the tree line, Ukrainian FPV drones had locked onto the moving targets, their cameras streaming live images back to operators hidden miles away. The footage revealed a tightly packed convoy of Russian transport trucks, each loaded with supplies and troops believed to be reinforcing frontline positions. The vehicles moved cautiously, but their spacing and exposed routes suggested confidence or desperation. For Ukrainian forces monitoring the feed, the opportunity was impossible to ignore. As the drones followed from above, every detail became clear. Dust trails rising from tires, camouflage netting flapping loosely, soldiers riding in open back scanning the horizon for threats that never came from the ground. The threat, however, was already above them, silent and unseen. Ukrainian drone operators coordinated swiftly, relaying information to command units as more FPV drones were launched. The convoy's route had been mapped, its speed calculated, and its vulnerabilities identified. The atmosphere in the control room was tense, with seconds ticking away as the trucks continued forward.
Это пизда нахуй.
Then, in a sudden shift, the first FPV drone descended. Video shows the drone weaving between trees and power lines, accelerating rapidly toward the lead truck. Moments later, the feed cut sharply, followed by smoke erupting from the front of the convoy. The once orderly column was instantly thrown into chaos. As the lead vehicle was disabled, the remaining trucks slammed on their brakes. Some attempted to reverse, others veered off the road into muddy fields. Ukrainian drones circled above, capturing the confusion as the convoy lost all formation and discipline within seconds. A second drone struck another truck near the center of the column. Flames and thick black smoke poured upward, visible for kilometers. Soldiers scattered for cover, abandoning vehicles as panic spread along the road. The convoy had become a trapped target. Ukrainian FPV drones continued their precision strikes, each one guided carefully to avoid waste. The camera footage showed surgical accuracy, focusing on vehicles rather than individuals, emphasizing the devastating efficiency of modern drone warfare. Within minutes, the road was completely blocked. Destroyed trucks burned uncontrollably while others sat immobilized, their engines silent. The convoy that had set out to reinforce the front line had been neutralized before it could reach its destination. Military analysts say the ambush demonstrates how Ukrainian forces have mastered low-cost, high-impact drone tactics. FPV drones, once considered improvised weapons, have evolved into a decisive battlefield tool capable of stopping entire supply operations. Russian forces reportedly attempted to respond with small arms fire and electronic countermeasures, but the drones moved too fast and too low. By the time defenses were activated, the damage had already been done. Satellite imagery later confirmed multiple destroyed and abandoned vehicles along the route. Logistics experts note that such losses do more than destroy equipment, they disrupt morale and delay operations critical to sustaining frontline troops. Ukrainian officials have not disclosed the exact location of the strike, citing operational security, but confirmed that the convoy was a legitimate military target supporting active combat operations. The released drone footage has since circulated widely, becoming another stark reminder of how the battlefield has changed. Roads once considered safe are now potential death traps, and dominance in the air, even at low altitude, can determine the outcome of ground operations. As the war grinds on, scenes like this underline a brutal reality. In modern conflict, visibility is vulnerability. For the Russian convoy caught on camera that day, the moment they were seen was the moment everything changed.